Hi guys, Lina here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Lina and I'm filming this video from Lagos. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 top 10 side hustles you could do that can rake you in as much as a 500,000 naira monthly, which is equivalent to $1,000. If you want to get these top 7 side hustle ideas, then please keep on watching this video and let's get right into it. So guys, take note that with these side hustles, you don't need any special knowledge or anything. All you just need is just basic information. And with information is literally power. Information is power. So the number 1 side hustle you could do is reselling stuff. So you could sell things such as electronics, you could sell things such as clothes, fashion items, clothes, shoes, bags. It could even be things like bed sheets, curtains. It's just all about you knowing where to source these items at a very affordable, in fact at the lowest barest minimum prices possible, and they're getting high value quality items, and you're able to buy these items at a very low price at very good quality, and you can then go about reselling these items and make the most profit possible. And when reselling these items, you could make as much as 200% profit on each of the items which you sell. And with social media just makes everything so much more easier these days. You literally don't have to have a store. All you need is a smartphone and data, and you could share what you're selling on Facebook, on Instagram or WhatsApp to people you know, and just promote it and just try and share randomly. Tag as much people as you can tag. Use lots of hashtags which are popular so people get to see the items which you are selling, and hopefully you get customers from them. Another side hustle idea is being a freelancer. So I've been freelancing as a makeup artist, and I've also been freelancing as a hairstylist. So being a freelancer affords me to be able to afford a lot more than what my day job salary would enable me afford, because I'm not just earning as a salary, and I'm also earning as a business, earning as an entrepreneur. I earn money from sale of hairs, I earn money from rendering hair services like wig laundry, hair coloring, and I also earn money from rendering makeup services to various clients, and even doing things as little as recommending products for you, or even helping you shop for your makeup products. So from freelancing, offering these beauty services to various beautiful women, I earn an extra living. And people also do services such as being photographers. They may not necessarily have studios. They might just need a celebrity, might just need someone to take pictures of them, or even an entrepreneur might just need someone to take pictures of their products and display them in a very beautiful manner. And as a photographer, like, your service is actually on a very high demand. Though the thing with photography is you might need that initial huge capital to purchase a good quality camera, but trust me, as a photographer, you're always constantly demanded. I'm saying doing either photography, makeup artistry, hair, being a nail technician, whichever of these basic skills which you have, you could apply and earn an extra living from freelancing despite having your day job on the side. Another way in which you can earn an extra living is also from offering one-on-one classes, and these one-on-one classes can be done online. People could come to you to offer them advice based on things that you do on your day job. For people who are accountants, so a business firm might actually need accounting services. They might need somebody to audit their books. They might need someone to just offer legal advice on their business, on how they should proceed. Or even for someone who does this into real estate, you might need a lawyer that could help you, advise you on things that you should know when it comes to hiring or renting out your property. So really, no matter what profession you find yourself in, there's a way in which you could offer professional services to someone else outside of your employer, and earn an extra living out of what you normally do on a day-to-day basis. Guys, I'm really sorry, they just put on the generator to pump water, so you might have a little background noise. I apologize for that. So guys, another way to earn extra living from aside from your day job is actually selling your business contacts. So guys, for me, you guys know I've always been selling hairs. I've always been into hairs, and I also sell my hair vendor information, because I notice that lots of people will come to you asking you for your hair vendor, where do you get your hairs from? And that is something people who sell hair don't give out. And honestly, how do you do so much research and go into and eventually find vendors that you are happy with and you're comfortable with the quality of the hairs which they give to you, and then someone has just come to you and told you, where do you get your hairs from? And you just told the person. People don't give out such information. So instead of giving out information free of charge, I rather sell that information to you. And because I'm selling the information to you, I know that because you paid money to get it, you definitely not just gonna give out the information free of charge. So it's just a way of me controlling how my vendor information is spread out, and also I'm also earning a living from the information which I spend so much time and resources into getting. In as much as I might not be selling a lot of hairs, at least from the sales of my vendor information, I'm actually earning an extra living from there. And it's literally like a residual form of income. This information that you're willing to sell to people for. But it's just an easy way to earn money, though you may have had to labor in the beginning to get this information. And aside from me selling hair information, for people who do various things, it could be that maybe you have this tech, you have this product that you sell and it's really unique, and somebody else wants to create his own version of that product. If you have the information as to where you produce that product in question, you could sell that information to somebody else who is interested in producing that same thing as you did. And you can sell the information of the people who produce that products for you to the person, so the person could actually make a similar product for the person who desires the product, but the person is going to pay you a price for that. So that's how it's like. That's how selling your vendor information is actually about. So sale of vendor information is something that you could choose to do if you are interested in making an extra income. So guys, another way to get an extra income aside from having is your 9-to-5 job is using your car as an Uber. So guys, I know lots of us like to be comfortable, and we might have 2 cars sitting around and we are not using the second car for anything. I think it's high time we start to look towards diversifying our means of income. And if you have a car just sitting around, and then every 2 or 3 months you take the car for servicing, and the car is just sitting down idle, and you are just putting money into it, and the car is not generating any income for you, I think it's high time we consider doing Uber in the weekend periods. Or if you can have a driver who could also work with the car all through the week, even on the weekends, using the car to do Uber for you, then that's great. You could choose to pay the driver a fixed salary monthly or on a weekly basis, and the driver generates income for you through your vehicle. You could choose to do something like, okay, every week you could give maybe tons of 60,000 naira, and the driver can take whatever it is he makes from the car. I think it's a win-win situation. He's working to earn an income for himself while your car is working for you to also earn an income. Another way in which you can earn an extra living is if you have like a big house. Let's say you have a spare room in your house. You could choose to rent your spare room, and per night you could choose to do weekly rentals, or you could choose to do a 2 days rental or 1 day rental. And you could choose to rent depending on the location of where your house is. All you need to do is just furnish the house well and put it up in Property Pro or various property outlets where people tend to do short lets for their various apartments. And people pay as much as 40,000 naira to rent various apartments in various choice locations in Lagos and even outside of Lagos. And if you have that spare room just sitting idle, so long as in terms of your agreement, if the property is probably one in which you yourself rented, so long as the agreement between you and the lawyer or the agent states that it doesn't stop you from subletting the house, even if it's for a short stay, then I think you could sublet the house to people for a night or 2 nights or a week, and you can use that income there. You could save up that income. Imagine having people rent your house, let's say like 20 times in a year. That could literally just be almost half of the money you need to probably pay your rent for the following year. So that's really an amazing way to actually earn additional income. So guys, if you found value out of these 7 ways in which you could earn additional income aside from your 9-to-5 job, whatever time it is that you do your job, if you got value out of this video, make sure you like this video, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.